Are you planning your next corporate event? There are alternatives to golf, and today we're talking about a day at the races. Watch the video to learn about corporate hospitality at Newbury Racecourse and the rewards available if you book direct using the promo code PITCHME. Today, I'm speaking with James Bazeley, Business Development Manager at Newbury Racecourse. Together, we're going to explore why horse racing and corporate hospitality are a standout choice if you're an executive assistant or event manager. We'll look at why it delivers a great return on investment, why it's memorable for clients, and why it's also simply great fun. I'm Maria Fuller, your host of Pitch Me EA, the series where suppliers pitch to executive assistants and event managers, and my guests bring exclusive rewards if you book them. Today's episode featuring Newbury Racecourse includes a very nice reward for bookers. James, are you ready to pitch? 3, 2, 1, pitch me EA.
Hi everyone, I'm James as Business Development Manager here at Newbury Racecourse. First off, a big thank you to Maria for having me on Pitch Me EA. What a fantastic way to connect with people who really make events happen, and that's you. Now, I know your job is all about finding venues that impress, that deliver seamlessly and that give you confidence when you put your name to them. And that's exactly why I want to show you how Newbury Racecourse can make your life easier and your event unforgettable. First off, let's start with the Lounge 303. This is our most contemporary hospitality space. It's a VIP but relaxed area, the kind of space that feels special without being stuffy. On a race day, you and your guests will enjoy panoramic views of the final straight and the finish line, a 2-course bowl food menu, your own private bar, and even exclusive tips from our resident racing experts. It's perfect for if you want to impress clients, reward your team with something they can talk about long after the day has ended. And if you're looking for something more traditional, we also have private suites. Like any sporting venue, they all overlook the entertainment. In this case, it's the finish line, with options ranging from 3-course sit-down meals to 2-course buffets, giving you your own dedicated space to enjoy the races and mingle with your guests. And of course, the important part, if your event needs accommodation, we've got that covered too. The Lodge Hotel is our 36-bedroom on-site hotel, complete with free parking, fast Wi-Fi and 24-hour reception and a brilliant kitchen and bar. Perfect for multi-day events or simply making sure no one has to rush for the last train. On the subject of travel, getting here couldn't be easier. We're just off the M4, have plenty of free parking, and uniquely, we even have our own train station with direct links from London Paddington in under an hour and half an hour from Reading. So whether your guests are local or travelling in, it's simple and stress-free. If you book through me, I'll include breakfast with all lodge stays. Our Owners Club is an incredibly versatile event space with floor-to-ceiling windows, a terrace overlooking the parade ring, breakout rooms, and a sleek bar. It's designed for modern conferences, dinners, award nights, and summer parties. Whether you want a formal sit-down dinner or a relaxed barbecue in the sunshine, we can adapt it around your vision. And as a personal thank you, you'll all receive 2 complimentary tickets to any of our Party in the Paddock race days. These are our summer race day concerts with recent acts including Sophie Ellis-Bextor, Ella Henderson, Clean Bandit, and Bjorn Again. So whether you're planning client hospitality or a summer celebration, or of course a conference with a twist, Newbury Racecourse is here to make it seamless, exciting, and memorable.
Thanks for pitching, James. For all the executive assistants and event managers out there watching, here's your exclusive reward again. So if you book corporate hospitality at Newbury Races using the promo code PITCHME, you will receive 2 complimentary tickets to Party in the Paddock at a date of your choice. Now, Party in the Paddock is one of Newbury's biggest events with top live acts. This year alone, they featured James Bay and the amazing Bjorn Again band. What a shame I missed that. I love ABBA. So great awards there for Pitch Me EA viewers if you book corporate hospitality. Okay, James, we're going to move into the Q&A round next. For organisers like me, I'm always looking for extras. What kind of add-ons are possible? I'm thinking about access to the paddock, racecourse, meeting a jockey, stroking the horse.
So we do all of those. So we have a jump season and a flat season throughout the year. For the jumps, you can visit the first jump, and for the flat season, you get an opportunity to visit the stalls. That's basically the starting point for the horses, and it's quite an exciting experience. It's all quiet down there because it's away from the crowd, but as soon as the horses get going, you can really hear it in the background. Of course, you get to go in the parade ring, so the paddock, with a tipster, one of our resident tipsters, and stroking a horse is always an option every race day. We do have horses who visit and stay in one of our stables. There's often a little Shetland pony in there as well, which is fun.
Oh my goodness. Wow, spoiled for choice, really. That's incredible. So thinking about my actual event invite that I'm going to send out to my clients, have you got any stock images that you could share with me or examples of what a good invitation looks like?
So we have plenty of those sort of stock images. Alongside that, we do have decks where we can send actual invites out to the organiser who can then send it on to their guests.
James, let's talk about catering. So what's more popular? Is it sit-down meals or buffet style?
I'll definitely say for the formality, it's the sit-down meals. In our lounge tier 3, it's bowl foods, which definitely adds to the social aspect of an event.
Don't forget, if you book corporate hospitality at Newbury Racecourse using the promo code PITCHME, you, the booker, will receive 2 complimentary tickets to a party in the paddock date at a date of your choice. So Party in the Paddock is one of Newbury's biggest events with top live acts. It's a brilliant reward, and we thank James and we thank Newbury Racecourse very, very much for offering this to Pitch Me EA viewers. So please don't forget to subscribe for the next episode of Pitch Me EA, where another expert will pitch their service and offer another exclusive reward for you, the booker. Thank you very much, and see you next time.
Thanks, Maria.